Hi guys, for today's video, I thought I would just share with you guys products that I have been loving, things that I've been loving around my home, as well as some skincare and fashion items, and I'll talk a little bit more about makeup as well. I did want to say a huge thank you to Clinique for sponsoring today's video, and let's jump right into it. So starting off with skincare slash makeup, I don't have really any makeup products to show you guys. I've really been focused on skincare recently. A lot of you guys have been asking in my recent videos, can you do a makeup routine or anything like that, and I wanted to show you guys in today's video. This is what my skin looks like with nothing on it. I have no makeup on at all for today's video, but I have been loving my new Clinique ID moisturizer that I wanted to share with you guys. Basically, you are able to create your own custom moisturizer that works for you and your skincare needs. So it was super exciting. Clinique just asked me two simple questions. The first one was, what is your skin type? And currently I'm having really dry skin. My skin's just really been on the dry side. Sometimes it's more on the oily side, but right now it is dry. And the second question was, what is something about your skin that you wanted to work on? And for me, it's fine lines and wrinkles. I have noticed that my skin is starting to head in that direction, and it's definitely something that I wanted to work on. And this is the moisturizer they came up with for me. So this is the Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. It really helps with my dry skin. I've noticed that my skin is a lot more moisturized with this, as well as my little lines and wrinkles cartridge that I know over time is going to help with those fine lines and wrinkles that are starting to appear on my skin. And I didn't wear anything in this video, so I could just show you guys how nicely it goes on to the skin, and you don't need a lot of it. Literally one small pump and it works for all of your skin. Seriously, it feels so good when I put it on my skin because my skin has been so dry, and just having that moisturization has been amazing. And the best part about this moisturizer is it's only $39 for the entire combination, which I think is a really great price. So if you guys are interested, you can head on over to Clinique.com or your Clinique counter to start building your custom moisturizer. And then as far as makeup goes, as I mentioned, I haven't really been wearing too much of makeup. The most you guys have seen me wear in a recent video is literally just mascara. I don't really wear makeup anymore. I've been really focused on just getting my skin to where I like it and to where it looks really nice, as opposed to just covering up my skin with makeup. So don't have really any makeup products to share with you guys. And as far as fashion goes, I've only gotten one thing recently that I think is worth talking about. To be completely honest, I feel like I'm so different from when I first started YouTube. I used to shop all the time, and I don't remember the last time I went shopping at a mall. It has been so long, but I did recently discover this bag, and it was made by an ethical and sustainable brand, which immediately drew my attention. And I just thought that this was seriously so cool. I've never seen a bag this shape. It's just very interesting, and it's kind of almost a little lens bag, I think it was called, because you could kind of fit a camera lens in it. Don't know how practical this is as far as carrying a lot of things, but it does fit my phone in it, and I can fit a few other things. I just thought it was very different. I like the color on it. It's very unique, and I thought it was good quality. So that's pretty much my fashion favorite for this video. And now moving on to some recent things that I picked up for my home that I have absolutely been loving. I got a lot of questions when I posted a picture of this lamp on Instagram, and this is a recent lamp that I picked up for my place. It is a standing LED style lamp, and I did get a lot of people responding to my Instagram just saying that they really wanted a lamp like this, but they were concerned as far as it being blinding and stuff. And what you guys need to know about the lamp is it actually has a protective light bulb cover on it. So that's not actually the light bulb, there's a cover on it. So when you turn it on, the light is actually extremely soft, and it does not distract your eyes. It's not super bright, and it gives just enough light in the room, in my opinion, but it's really great. Like I said, the lighting that it gives off is very soft. It's not super harsh or anything, which is really great. And I think that that was super awesome for them to think of that when they constructed the lamp, because I'm like you guys, where I was wait, when you turn that on, isn't it just gonna blind my eyes? And you do not get that effect at all. So highly would recommend that lamp if you guys need lighting for your place. The next thing that I also posted on Instagram that I got a lot of questions about is this new fig tree that I added to my apartment. And I did mention that I wanted to get some plants that were real and then still stick with some that were faux. And to be completely honest, I just didn't think that there was any way, from what I've read about fig trees, that I could keep one alive. I'm not the best when it comes to real plants, just being honest, as well as the lighting and temperature and climate is kind of tricky where I'm living. So I was like, I need to find like a faux fig. And this one actually, I did want to talk about it in this video because I personally love it, but I did need to share that it is 7 feet tall. So it's a lot bigger than it appears. And then I did go ahead and add some like DIY adjustments to the tree that I will be showing in a full makeover video. So it does look a little bit better from what I did as far as like adding to it, the planter and everything else. Like I did like a little DIY. So I will share that with you guys in another video, but I've absolutely been loving the tree. Definitely think it was worth the little bit of splurge that it was because it is so tall, and I know it'll work in like any room if I move anywhere also. And then next, which is super exciting, you guys know I've had my whole like couch saga going on. If you haven't, then you might have missed that video, but I was in need of a couch for a while now, and the one that I purchased, finally it came in, so I did get rid of my old one. I am just like so in love with it. This particular couch is contract grade, which basically means that it is kind of meant to be in hotels or meant where it is going to be sat on and used a lot, which just basically essentially means that if you're using it in your home and you're not going to be sitting on it a lot, it is really good quality and it is going to last you virtually pretty much for like ever. So I was excited to go ahead and get it. It's this really awesome like stone color. It's very different and unique. And then to go along with that, I got this rug recently, which is just so awesome. It feels so nice under your feet. I'm usually someone who goes for like the trendier textured rugs, and they are not comfortable at all. Like, just to be honest, it doesn't feel like luxury or anything when you step on them. And when I stepped on this, I was like, this is like so like luxurious, and like I feel like I'm at like a spa because it's like feels so nice under my feet. It mimics like a velvet or a sheen, but in person it just kind of has like really nice like textured like lines in it, but it doesn't actually have that textured feel, if that makes sense. I'm looking down at it now and I'm just like, you guys, I'm so in love with this rug. It's like amazing. So that is everything that I wanted to share in today's video that I've recently been loving. Again, a huge thank you to Clinique for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to check them out. The link will be in the description box down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!